The birth of a smartphone begins with raw metal, precise, pure, and engineered for perfection.
Solid metal surrenders to heat, transforming into liquid clarity.
The alloy cools into its first shape, blocks that will soon become a smartphone's unibody. Each block enters the CNC gauntlet, where precision carving begins. From a single block, the smartphone's frame begins to emerge.
Every internal cavity must be machined with micrometer accuracy.
The iconic camera housing takes shape, cut from a single block of metal.
Button apertures must be cut razor clean. Every micron matters to human touch.
Laser-cut seams allow wireless signals to pass through solid metal. After carving and cutting, human hands ensure perfection. Every smartphone display begins with grains of silica, pure, refined, and ready for transformation. Silica surrenders to heat, melting into a glowing river of pure glass.
Liquid fire is drawn into a flawless sheet, cooling into transparent strength. Strength is engineered at the ionic level, every glass panel reinforced by chemistry.
A smartphone's shape is defined with laser perfection, every curve exact.
Edges must be flawless, smooth enough to disappear beneath your fingertips.
A microscopic shield protects the screen, repelling fingerprints and wear. Heat softens the glass, allowing gentle curves that match the unibody frame.
Metal meets glass. Precision alignment ensures perfect symmetry.
Two core parts, metal and glass, ready for the moment they become one. Every display begins with a flawless substrate, thin, flexible, and impossibly precise. Microscopic organic layers are vapor deposited, forming the heart of the display. To protect the delicate organic layers, a protective thin film is sealed over them.
Capacitive touch sensors are printed with microscopic precision.
Touch and light become one, merged into a seamless panel.
Tiny chips communicate with millions of OLED pixels. Precision placement is essential.
The display's nervous system is formed from ultra-thin flexible circuits.
The new OLED panel lights up for the first time, every pixel tested.
Strength and flexibility are pushed to their limits. Before assembly, every panel must survive shocks and real-world impacts.
Perfection requires absolute cleanliness. No dust may touch the display.
The panel becomes a component, ready for full integration.
A tine opening defines a massive technological leap, cut with flawless precision. The adhesive that binds the display must cure with microscopic uniformity.
Every pixel, every seam, every line, verified by human eyes.
Before fusion, every panel must mate perfectly with the unibody.
A clean frame ensures a perfect seal, a device built to last.
Glass meets metal,
Now the smartphone takes form.
Strength, seal, and alignment must be flawless.
The completed display units wait, ready to become the face of the device. The smartphone's brain begins with a precise printed circuit, waiting to be brought to life.
Solder paste marks where every component will land. Thousands of points of connection.
Thousands of components are placed with speed faster than the human eye.
Heat melts the solder, binding every component permanently to the board.
Every solder joint is inspected by artificial intelligence and verified by human eyes.
The processor, center of intelligence, joins the board with pinpoint accuracy. A protective resin flows beneath the processor, strengthening every connection. Flexible circuits bridge the phone's components, forming its electronic pathways.
Metal shields protect the board from interference, ensuring clean signals.
Graphite, copper, and gel pads carry heat away, ensuring peak performance. Before entering the device, the brain must be perfect.
The camera begins as a silicon wafer, etched with millions of microscopic sensors.
The wafer is cut into individual sensors, each one a microscopic camera.
Multiple glass lenses form the barrel, stacked with microscopic accuracy.
Stabilization coils and magnets allow the camera to float, capturing steady images.
A tiny voice coil motor brings images into sharp focus.
Precision sealing protects the camera's delicate internals from dust and moisture.
The battery begins as raw lithium cells, packaged for safety and endurance.
Protection circuits monitor health, preventing overcharge, heat, or failure.
The cell and its brain become one, forming a safe, intelligent power unit. The smartphone takes form as its brain arrives, small, thin, and impossibly complex.
Before the battery is installed, its cavity must be perfectly clean and precisely aligned.
The battery is installed, a delicate and carefully controlled step. Each camera, only millimeters wide, must align perfectly with the lens housing.
A tiny bracket secures the camera, welded using vibrations too fast for the eye to see.
The vibration motor, compact yet powerful, is fitted into the frame with surgical precision. A tiny acoustic chamber is built, its dimensions tuned for perfect sound. The smartphone's voice and awareness come from sensors no larger than grains of rice.
The front-facing camera, compact and incredibly sensitive, requires exact pressure and alignment.
A single dust particle can ruin a photo. This step must be perfect. A copper coil, thin and delicate, will soon transfer power invisibly. Communication through touchless waves depends on a precise antenna pattern.
The power and volume keys rely on flex cables thinner than paper.
Each button must feel crisp, and it begins with a tiny metal dome switch. Antenna lines are sealed in place, ensuring long-term reliability.
The smartphone gains its brain, installed with millimeter-perfect precision. Tiny connectors, fragile, irreplaceable, must lock without error.
Heat must flow away from the processor, guided by sheets thinner than a leaf. Wireless components must sit flush. Any misalignment affects performance.
The smartphone's internal organs are now unified, ready for final housing.
The rear housing arrives, aluminum, ceramic, or glass, waiting for its pairing with the internal core.
Water resistance depends on a thin gasket, precise, soft, and perfectly aligned. A dry fit ensures no cables are pinched, no components misaligned. A thin line of structural adhesive binds the phone, creating a waterproof seal. Internal components meet their external shell, guided by exact pressure.
Tiny screws, just millimeters long, reinforce the structure. Wireless charging requires perfect spacing. Fractions of a millimeter matter.
A smartphone's character lies in its buttons. Their click must feel perfect.
Speaker chambers, tiny acoustic tunnels, must align perfectly. Grounding must be perfect. Signal integrity depends on millimeters of copper. A perfectly cut adhesive sheet secures the display, thin as air.
The display meets the frame, fused with pressure and perfect alignment.
A vacuum chamber ensures the display bonds flawlessly. No bubbles, no warping.
To protect the display's flex cable, a shield must be mounted safely. The smartphone learns to sense light and distance through sensors smaller than sand.
Sound systems are tested with tones, sweeps, and ultra-sensitive microphones. Invisible energy transfer requires precise alignment and performance testing. Buttons undergo tens of thousands of presses, ensuring long-term durability. Every antenna is tested, ensuring strong and stable communication. The device must survive water pressure, its seals tested before shipping.
The device wakes for the first time, every circuit tested in seconds.
The phone receives its mind, firmware written through high-speed links.
The display learns to respond, calibrated to human touch. The camera finds focus, tested against shifting charts. Colors must be true, calibrated with precision light sources.
The haptics must feel powerful yet controlled, tested across multiple intensities.
Heat reveals weakness. The device must hold stable under load. The device endures controlled impacts, ensuring durability in real life. Identity security demands precision, biometrics calibrated to perfection.
The smartphone learns to speak and listen, tested for clarity.
Before packaging, every surface must be flawless. A thin film guards the display, protecting it until it reaches the user. The smallest moving parts are installed last. precisely aligned. The phone communicates with the world, tested in isolated RF chambers. The battery must be safe, tested for voltage, impedance, and thermal response.
Every function, every sensor, camera, and circuit is tested one last time. The smartphone is ready to leave the factory, its journey just beginning.
The box is sealed, untouched until it reaches its final owner.
Hundreds of finished phones are packed for global delivery.
From grains of sand to a global device, its journey continues.